You work for the boys up in Northern Ireland.
Yeah, so do you want to start? Or try and change that word, that dirty word waste. And I think
I was trying to think of the word, you could say product, but
Yeah.
there is another resources, that's the word, yeah.
Resource and
Yeah.
recovery.
Yeah.
I think there is a change coming.
And I've seen a massive change over the last few years that companies now are looking at sustainability in such a big way. And, you know, companies that we tried for years to try and get work off them are now coming to us. And what we're finding is that it's the younger generation that are driving it.
Not afraid to educate your customer on the best ways to do things.
Well, that's always, for me, it's always been part of what I wanted to do, is show people. We've got so many people that have worked for us that have gone back to their own countries and started businesses or are now running businesses from what they picked up and how, if you like, the ethos that we had. And one of them is there's always a way.